Okay guys, today we're going to do some hanging baskets along the fence. We're going to use some Super Bell's Great Punch. This one I lost a tag for. It is a Artist Blue Floss Flower. Looks really awesome. Kind of reminds me of coral underneath the sea. This one we're going to use a Super Tunia Bordeaux, a Super Bina Royal Chambray for Bina, and over here we have a Intensia Blueberry. Trying to keep it in purples and blues, and we'll show you what it looks like when we're done. So the final combinations of flowers we used were the Super Bell's Great Punch, an Artist Blue Floss Flower, Super Tunia Bordeaux, and we have some verbena in here, which is not quite blooming yet, and we have the Intensia Blueberry here, which is a hybrid phlox. We use the best flowers in this one, and I have over here, I bought some that were not doing too well, and the rain kind of got to them. So the purpose for that is what I'm going to do is I'm going to give away a canister of Proven Winners slow release plant food. Not being endorsed by them or any way, or trying to endorse them in any way, but I just want people to know that it actually works. So you'll see results sometimes days, sometimes a week, but it really does work, and I want somebody to be able to win this and actually try it out for themselves and actually see what the product actually does for them. So if you really want to win this, just leave us a comment, any comment. I'll pick it randomly using a random generator, and I'll announce it here in the next couple weeks. So like I said, this is the beginning of our backyard garden. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. We'll be doing more updates on what we do back here in the backyard. So if you like, please subscribe, give us a like, and we'll see you in the next video. Oh yeah, and one last thing. I've been thinking about this for some time. My wife keeps telling me to say something about it. So I always mention how well these smell and how good they smell. The best I can describe, and the best me and my wife can describe, is grapefruit. So there you have it. If you're curious about how they smell, it's kind of a grapefruit smell. Somebody's already loving it.